Why analog scopes will always be king. 300 megahertz digital. And the king. Circuit, this little dirty oscillator running around 14 megahertz. Probes have their ground lead set to be a pickup loop. Circuit runs from about 20 volts to about 100 volts. So I'll bring it up to about 20 volts now. All right, simple enough. And let's bring the alignment there. It's approximately on there, 13.6. This one says 13.9, 14. Close enough. All right, bring the voltage up to about 40 volts. Now we're starting to get some interesting effects. Digital scope. Check the trigger near 0. Analog scope. Perfect. Bring this up to about 60 volts. All right. So bring that down so it stays within there. And what's happened to this one? Take it in real close and you can see not really useful. I can bring the trigger point right in there. Still not really useful. Same signal. Rock solid. Bring the voltage up to about 80 volts. Analog signal, perfect. Digital scope is on strike. And you can see the circuit itself. No smoke. Pickup loops are still there. Let's bring that down to about 20 volts. You can see the circuit. Digital scope finally sees something. Analog scope still has something, never lost it. Right. Bring that up to about 40 volts. Well, it certainly be hard to take a measurement off of that. This one, yeah, not so difficult. So, anyway, if I bring the voltage way down to about 20 volts. There's a sine wave. But there's a lot of detail this one's catching, which the other one didn't. There you go. Well, 73s.